Hello everyone, in this video I quickly want to mention a number of sectors or branches where there's a lot of work at the moment and where a lot of jobs are available. I'll start with the levels where you have to work more with your hands, and we'll end up at the more levels where you need more theoretical knowledge or knowledge of computers, for instance. So let's start. So number one, the greenhouses in the Netherlands. You know, where the fruits and the vegetables and the flowers are being grown. A lot of it is happening in the western part of the Netherlands. There's an area called Westland in the southwest, and a lot of people are needed there to really harvest all of this, to work in those greenhouses. There's always a demand for people there. Another one where a lot of people are needed at the moment, that is the catering industry. So the bartenders, the waiters, the waitresses, there's a big need at the moment. Like 40,000 people are needed just to take care of the restaurants and the bars, so to make sure that that people are being served. So a lot of work there at the moment, especially interesting for younger people, of course, maybe for students or other young folks that want to make money in a quick way. There's not a lot of studying needed to get this type of work. You just need to have a good motivation to work hard, and then you can get started in this industry. Then we move to something where you will need qualifications, good qualifications. That is being a teacher. They are really willing to pay a good salary for this and to give you good benefits, especially in the inner cities. There they will provide you with even more salary and possibly also housing possibilities. So they really have a big need there for teachers. So if that is your thing, if you have qualifications to be a teacher, this might be something for you in the Netherlands. I'm talking about primary school teachers, high school teachers, everywhere it is needed. Another big field for work opportunity is nursing. So nursing homes, taking care of elderly in the Netherlands. There's a big population of elderly people. They need care in care houses, they need care in hospitals. So people working in hospitals are needed, doctors are needed. So in this branch also a lot of people are needed, and if you have the qualifications for it, there's a good chance you can get to work very quickly in the Netherlands. Then we move to the electricians. A lot of things are happening in the Netherlands. There's a need for technical people. Less people are choosing the technical side to study this or to work in this in the Netherlands itself. But there's a big demand. There's a big energy transition going on. New houses have heat pumps. All the new houses nowadays, they have heat pumps instead of installations that work on gas. So they work on electricity. They need installation, they need maintenance. A lot of people are putting solar panels on their houses. Those need to be installed. A lot of things going on, you know, and so electricians, very needed, very much demand for. And finally, in the IT world, the service and financial service sector in the Netherlands is quite big, and there's a lot of programming involved there, a lot of coding, and there's a lack of people. There are not enough people inside the country with this specialistic knowledge of coding, programming, you know, having being a database specialist, SQL specialist. So if coding and programming is your thing, you can find a lot of jobs here, mainly in the area of Amsterdam. A lot of financial service companies there, fintech companies. So a lot of opportunities here also if you are into that, into computers and programming, enough work there also. So these are some of the big sectors where people are needed, where you can get a job, can find a job and make money. Of course, these are not the only ones. There's really a lot going on, and there are more jobs with open, let's say, open vacancies than there are people without a job at the moment. So a lot of work to do in the Netherlands, and opportunities for people to work in. I hope you found this video useful. See you next time in the next video.